Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own mobile app without any coding, programming or hiring programmers. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. So today I just found this amazing platform which helps you create your own mobile app in a few minutes without any coding. The name is Zapter, and they offer a service where you can create an app by customizing, drag and dropping, uploading your content and creating an app inside this web page, and you can publish your app in the Apple App Store or on the Play Store on Android. So let's see what they offer and how it works. So when you open the page, they say don't have an app yet? Create one with Zapter. Create your own app with drag and drop and zero code with the world's easiest and most customizable app builder. So what they offer is built for everyone, no coding required, fully customizable to your business, try for free, which is good, no credit card required. And obviously, if you want to publish it and want to get more details, you can subscribe and pay for their services. On this side, you can see a few examples, apps that were made here. And as you can see, they are all different, have different tabs. So you can see that it is highly customizable. Fully customizable, over 140 plus plugins. Take off with your own app. March promotion, okay. Having an app is now possible for everyone. Some more examples, some stories. You can see companies that used their services for their apps. Zöhren, a German company for cakes, as I can see. Content management, playfully shape your individual app. As you can see, it's very easy. You just type in all the details and the app is coming to life in a few minutes. Yes, drag and drop, dynamic as your business, absolute freedom in designing your app. Here you can see all their offerings, built-in CRP, event system, push notifications, e-commerce, booking system, iOS and Android app, Shopify, landing pages, places, QR code system, Sendrix, everything that you might need for your app. Design your app store, appearance online, so you can also design the appearance of your app store. Here are some news regarding this service. Design and redesign without barriers. So even after publishing your website, you can still redesign some details if you have changed your business. Over 140 plugins. Yes, we already saw it. Here are all their, not all, but some of their partners. They work with Shopify. So if you have a Shopify store, you can use that in your app as well. PayPal, Stripe, like paid services. And here are their offers. There is a free forever version where you can try it out. There is a web app version, which is $10 monthly fee, iOS and Android app, which is $30, and unlimited, which is $50 per month, which are all, like, in my opinion, basically very good prices for an app if you know how pricey it can get to create your own app by hiring programmers. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and check out the links in the description, and have fun designing your own app. See you soon. Bye bye.